first up, I'll show you what's in the bag with the bang hanger. So this video, all I'm going to do is show you everything. I'm going to check modifications. I'm going to do a video on the modifications that I'm doing and kind of go from there wherever I carry my holsters. So that way it's more adaptable and everything like that. But are you looking for an alternative way to carry your duty weapon or range gun? If so, you definitely want to check out this series on the Guardian Warrior Solutions bang hanger and the Alien Gear Rapid Force holster, as well as the upgrades and mods I will be doing to make it Safariland QLS adaptable, whether it's for duty or tactical / range operations. You won't want to miss this. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Angry Sarge back to show you two things that I'm going to be looking at for possible duty use. I think both products might be something I'm going to really enjoy, and I think maybe you guys will enjoy as well. So let's talk about both of these. One, I know you see an alien, so I'm sure you figured it was an Alien Gear holster. Maybe, maybe not. But this right here is the Guardian Warrior Solutions bang hanger. So another way to mount your holster to your belt, which I'm gonna do full-on videos. I'll show you the modifications that I'm gonna do because I want to run my gear a certain way that's gonna be, one, comfortable for me, and two, easy to accept all my different gear, I guess, quirks. So how I want to run my gear is how I want to run my gear, and hopefully both of these cooperate with me. So first up, I'll show you what's in the bag with the bang hanger. So this video, all I'm going to do is show you everything. I'm going to check modifications. I'm going to do a video on the modifications that I'm doing and kind of go from there. But yeah, these are pretty sturdy. This is another piece you can add if you want to make it a little bit more sturdier. You feel like it's just needs to be just a little bit stiffer than this piece, so it kind of doubles it up. If that makes sense, it just doubles it up, which is good. So you're talking about where you're going to mount your holster and all that stuff. It comes with all the hardware in the bag, all that you need to modify and get yourself ready for that. And I'm gonna mess with this and try to figure this out. So first off, this video is gonna be short, giving you kind of my thoughts, initial thoughts, and I'm telling you, I think that this is pretty cool, and I think it's gonna be able to hold. I've seen a bunch of videos of dudes doing pull-ups with it attached and all that stuff, and it just not breaking. This Tigris, I'm thinking that's what this is Tigris, is pretty strong. It's really strong. So I think it's going to be a good way to mount to my duty holster. It's going to cut off some weight, and I've got some other stuff coming in too that I think will be cool as well, in addition to this. So I'll kind of update you guys as I go through the videos, so stay tuned. We'll be visiting the bang hanger, and we'll also be visiting this Alien Gear Rapid Force holster, which, me having messed with this some, I really like it. I think it's very feasible. I think it's got a lot going on with it. Like, everything's built solid. And there's more stuff in the bag, so we'll pull everything out, but it's pretty sturdy. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere or anything like that, but I'm definitely going to mod it from this because I like a certain platform and I want it to be able to work with however I carry my holsters. So that way it's more adaptable and everything like that, but easy. How it works is you push this lever down, and then when you're drawing, you're with your master grip, you're pushing back and then pulling out. So it's kind of like the ALS system and the SLS. So think of a level 3, which this is, holster, where you're pushing down and sweeping forward. Well, on this one, you don't have to sweep forward like the SLS to push the hood down. It goes by itself, it's spring loaded, and then you're pulling back to draw out like you would the ALS system, except everything's bigger and it's smoother. So I really like this so far. These are my initial thoughts. I have not put this on a belt or run it, so before it sees duty, it's gonna have to be run through to make sure that I'm comfortable carrying this thing on duty, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to be. I've ran quite a few holsters that I enjoy that maybe not everybody else likes, but that's okay. We're all kind of different, and my needs are different than most other people's needs, so I understand that. I know I'm gonna get maybe some hate in the comment section, and that's okay. I'm alright with it. You're not gonna hurt my feelings, but if you can, just try to keep it constructive. But on that, I'll show you some quick draws with a firearm, so that way you can see what it looks like. Well, it won't be quick. I'll just show you all the steps and how everything comes out. So stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I got my Duty pistol, Glock 17 Gen 5 Holosun 508T, and as you can see, it's not loaded, nothing in the bottom. I also have a Strike Industries magwell, which I'm a fan of, and the TLR1. Clear and safe. I want to stick it in the holster so you can actually see it. So this is how it looks, how it locks over it. Everything's pretty solid on it. But how it works, like I said earlier, is you're going to push down, sweep back, and draw. I know it's going to take a little bit of messing with. Training's always a big thing, especially when you get new equipment. You want to train with it, you want to mess with it, you want to get as many reps as you can, so that way you're ready to use it. Pretty simple. It comes out very nice. It's smooth. It's a little bit different drawing it from here than on a belt. So that's it. So far, right now, my initial thoughts are I'm impressed. I like it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. There are some more fine-tuned adjustments that you can do. And I think in the bag it comes with some extra parts and stuff like that. So some extra bits, as some other people call it. Yeah, some Loctite, stuff like that. So if you want to change out stuff and make it smaller, you can, which I may do that. Like changing out all these levers. So this one, you can change that out. You can change out the actual button that you push down, and then you can change out this lever as well. Adjust it, fine tune, adjust to you, and that's the point. That's why I like holsters like that, is I can make it my own, make it fit what I need to use it for, which is for duty. So on that, just want to let you know, if you like content like this, please subscribe, like, share, comment. It motivates me to continue to make stuff for you guys. I mean, I enjoy this. Every comment that I get, I really go and I look at it, I'll respond back to it. If it's something that I don't know, I'll be a man and admit that, hey, I didn't know that. Thank you for giving us that insight or whatever to help us be better. And I'm okay with that. I'm always a student. I'm always willing to learn from someone else who may have that experience that I don't have. So, but yeah, make sure you like other people's content as well. I know Tactical Considerations has said that, and I agree 100% with him on that. I think us liking each other's content really puts us out there and puts us in a better spot with the algorithm, so we can make sure that other people that don't know about, you know, this holster or firearm or gear or anything like that can come and get that information that they need. So thank you again. I appreciate you for sticking around, and we'll see you on the next one.